लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड विद अनदर वीडियो जहाँ हम देखेंगे वर्चुअल मशीन्स के बारे में, व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ वर्चुअल मशीन्स, और आपको पहले से पता होगा। मैं रिकैप करा देता हूँ। बेसिकली जो वर्चुअल मशीन्स होती है, that which is creating their own memory in the cloud, that you can just use any of the servers and data and hardware if you want to use on that, on their particular virtually remotely available that machine. Okay, so this is not about the physical devices, this is about like the virtually that which is present on that. Okay, so like we need to going about the virtual machines or that. So basically this video is all about कि virtual machines के बारे में और documents के बारे में हम थोड़ा go through करेंगे. We are not going to start with directly with the virtual machines for the next 4 to 5 videos which is coming for the virtual machines. Okay, so virtual machines हम directly Azure portal से ही use करेंगे. So we are not going to use a start in that case CLI version. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to go through about that. Like we are just going to the sign in of the virtual machines. We'll just go into the overview of that virtual machines. So virtual machines is like the on-demand scalable computing resources that Azure offers, what they can giving their offers. That which is we know very well flexibility of a virtualization without having to buy and maintain the physical hardware, जो मैंने आपकी अभी go through करवाया था. Or development and test, we can just go through. They provided these services like the development and test application in the cloud, that which hold that data in a cloud, that you can just hold the storage as well as, right, and extended data centers too. These what do I need like think about before creating a virtual machines? You need to know about some of the thinking about that. मैंने आपको कुछ प्राइस से और सब्सक्रिप्शन से रिलेटेड भी आपको मैंने सारी चीजें बताई थी, विच इज मैंडेटरी फॉर दैट, बिकॉज ये लाइक आप जितना यूज करोगे उतना ही ये पे करता जाएगा. दे आर बिल्ड, हाउ दे आर बिल्ड of that. See, this is like the pricing, because they giving the high pricing, right? That's why for the quotations I've just provided that all the things are regarding that. Okay, so the location, they having a most of geographical locations like the East Asia and all. And the sizes and pricing have to do in a separate videos. I'm not going to introduce here. And वहां पर भी आप अपनी मर्जी से खुद की मशीन किस लेवल पे कैसी डिजाइन करना चाहते हो आप कर सकते हो, राइट. यू कैन थिंक अबाउट कि कितनी अच्छी चीज है. ओके, like if you want to use any Windows, if you want to use any Linux part, you can. Okay, the virtual machine total core limits, that having some limits of like 20 virtual machines total per regions. Okay, so this is how the distribution of the virtual machines will go into the Azure portal. Don't require these things, because like they having sort of configurations on that. Okay, so they having also providing the storage and networking, that which you can just use the virtual card, network card, that you can just IP address in Azure, and as well as the opening ports to the Linux virtuals. Okay, so these are the some of the thinking of about it, that and the recovery part is the most important. You can just recover all the things regarding on that. See, the tutorials is all about the Linux and the Windows, because these taking their own Linux and Windows part. Okay, these are the CLIs part. Okay, so see, you can just go through all over the documents. I'm just going this all about that in this video. And if you want any troubleshoot, you can just guide over there, and as well as the resources part as well as. And yeah, if you want to go more, give more about that before, just go to in the previous video we will have. See, these are the configuration of virtual machines. मैं आज create करके नहीं बताऊंगा, but मैं actually ये चीजें बताऊंगा कि how we can just use these fields. Okay, जो यहाँ पर ग्रुप्स और ये कॉमन फील्ड्स है जो हम पहले भी यूज करते आ रहे थे वेब सर्विसेज में. वर्चुअल मशीन्स का आप यहाँ पर नाम दे सकते हो कोई सा भी, ये ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है तो आप नो these functions not you. These are the regex that is given, and the region you can select it on your own. And Yeah, these are the like this is the thing of image. Okay, this is the Ubuntu, Red Hat, the Windows part. See all the images data which is presenting. Okay, see how this is the datify things. Okay, these are the like the Linux, Windows 11 Pro, and most of the things presented there. We'll go to the Ubuntu server first at 24 uh, 20.04 at this. Yeah, that's which is better. And this is the most इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन दिस वर्चुअल मशीन बिकॉज हम जो भी यूज़ करते हैं वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपका अमाउंट कितना लग रहा है इस हिसाब से सी यू कैन सी द 6,741 rupees in for the month, right? That which is very high. We don't require too much for this. We will take 2 GB or 1 GB for the starting or learning purpose. It's very enough. You can just create it a SSH key or as well as the SSH 22. How we can just use these virtual machines like for the bare metals and all in a particular platform like particular platform. How can we can just use that part? Okay, so this all about the things. Okay, so yeah, so this is the things we will see in this video. And for the next video, I'll go into just create our virtual machines, first virtual machines creation. This is all about the walkthrough. And yeah, thank you so much for